Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your boy Famous Zazie. On today's edition of the vlog, I'm here at MBD Mall to watch the movie Marvel Doctor Strange 2. Let me just show you guys. I'm at the mall. It looks so beautiful. This is MBD Mall. So I'll take a proper video of the place because I'm rushing. I need to get my ticket now. Peace guys. So you guys check this out. I'm in the mall right now. I'm going to the 4th floor. That's where the movie is, guys. I'm a bit late. I'm running out of time. The thing is, the movie was just released like 2 days ago. So basically, yesterday I was busy. I had an exam, so I couldn't make it here. And I had to run some errands also. But then, check out the mall, guys. Like, it's so beautiful. Yo. I'll be keeping you guys posted every single bit of the way. Right now, man's on that escalator tip. Just check it out, guys. It's a beautiful place. The time I'm done with the movie, I promise I'll try my best to maybe walk around, get some food, and just show you guys around. So yeah, I'm going by the 4th floor right now. Yeah, just rushing, and I guess everyone I'm seeing is just rushing. I guess, yeah, they're all rushing for the movie too. Yep. Check that out. I'll come take like a proper. Guys, what's up? So I'm finally on the 4th floor. Going to book like my ticket in the bit. I'm finally here. Guys, so I'm finally here. Just touched down the cinema. Check it out. It's really nice. So I'm just going to book my ticket right now. Yeah. Okay, hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Famous Zazie here at the cinema, to watch Doctor Strange. I came a bit late, but I made it on time. As you can see, guys, it's about to get me. So yeah, stay tuned. I'll keep you guys posted. Sure. Guys, what's up? So yeah, like, I'm in the hall right now, waiting for my movie time. It's starting in like a couple of minutes, probably like half an hour, 40 minutes. But then, yeah, just check out the cinema wall. It's pretty dope. It's amazing. Like, it's crazy. Yeah. It's nice. Bam. I'm gonna watch the movie. Bam. Hey guys, what's up? I just finished watching the movie. Yo, it was pretty dope. It was amazing. Yeah, well, you guys should check it out. I wouldn't want to give away any spoilers, but the only thing I would say is it's an amazing movie, and thank you for watching this video. It's your boy Zazie. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Peace out. Well, so I might be getting some food. Maybe you guys have to wait. Like, I might be getting some food, like, depending on the situation. Let me just see how it all plays out. If I don't do that, then yeah, till next time, till next time. So like I told you guys, I was gonna get some food by Domino's. I'm here to order some pizza and stuff. Yeah, I'll let you guys what's up. So you just know, any vlog is not complete without the food. So I decided to get some chicken wings and like some Mountain Dew. So yeah, let me eat, then get home, go edit this video. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hey guys, what's up? I hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe, like, share. I'll keep you guys posted with more stuff, like more videos and everything coming up. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you guys are fun. Yeah, that's what's up. Like, share, comment. Famous Zazie out. Peace.